Hey guys, and welcome back to another Pets Go tutorial. Winter has arrived, and in this video I will show you exactly how to get winter eggs, where to find them, and how to maximize your chances of getting those amazing huge pets. So let's jump in. So before anything else, you can check out the new updates and unlock, if you want, straight away the weather skill. And once you're ready, you can locate this portal on the map, which is named King of the Hill. You need to travel to the event, and you will find yourself in a PvP zone where you will need to battle other people to be able to earn winter eggs. And here you will be able to see on the screen who is the current King of the Hill, and you can see that awards are dropped every 30 seconds, and whoever is King of the Hill when the timer hits 0, that person will get winter eggs, and also maybe some of the people on the right side that have around 20% chances to get also winter egg for the fight. Important thing to know here also is that if you press on shift button, your crosshair will get fixed in the middle, and if you press it again, it will get released and you can go with your crosshair around the screen and just use your W, A, S and D buttons to move around. This is very good to know when you are fighting, because you can use it to create some new strategies and maybe get the crown faster. The other good thing to know is that if you are King of the Hill and you get the crown, do not go out of the ring that is marked with yellow lines around. If you go out of the ring, your crown will be given to the next player in the ring, so have that in mind. Also good to know is that you can roll while you're fighting. You can use your potions also and start rolling before you start fighting. And when you grab enough eggs, you can go into your main map by just pressing shift and then pressing on this house on the left side. And now here's the most important part. Do not open your eggs unless the weather is blizzard. Thanks to the new weather system, your luck increases dramatically during the blizzard, giving you much higher chances to hatch a huge pet, so opening eggs during clear skies is not a good idea. You will just waste your hard work. Be patient and wait for the blizzard to roll in before cracking those eggs open. So if you're not sure how to trigger or predict blizzards, you can check out our other video, how to get a blizzard in Pets Go, where we explain everything you need to know to take full advantage of this system. The link of that video will be in the description, so be sure to watch if you want to maximize your chances. And there you have it. That's how you can get the winter egg in Pets Go and hatch the best pets possible. Remember, the key is timing. You need to wait for the right moment to strike in King of the Hill event, and also you need to wait for the blizzard to be able to open up those eggs for the maximized chances. So if this guide helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Pets Go tips and tricks. And I will see you in the next one.